Sabrina, there's nothing to do.
Hers is very watery. Yeah, Elliot.
What? Yeah.
Hey guys. Okay, so we're gonna wait for Sabrina. She just went to go get tied for her slime. No, Maiden Sabrina. Or whatever. Maiden Sabrina went to go get tied. You guys might think we're sisters. We're not sisters. We're cousins. But I was speaking over her. Sabrina went to go get some pie.
What?
What's stuck on him?
Yeah,
Sabrina, come. What I need.
He's wearing his pajamas.
What?
What did you want?
Can we change the activity?
Yeah, you guys made very good fun.
I still want to go to the road.
Hold on, again. Elliot, come. Mommy and Daddy are going to work out downstairs. You want to come? Albert's coming. Okay, come.
It's not as lumpy as hers.
You don't need food.
Much harder. But I painted it already. And I'm opening it again. I'm painting.
Is she crying?
Okay. This is hers. And Evie's, we made it yesterday, but Evie's didn't turn out good. So very. It came into a fan. Yeah, into a fan. Yeah. Mine actually really came into a foul, so now I can't do it. Like hers is really needed. Maybe hers is just like glue right now.
You need to have a little patience, please.
And I know I'm painting this car. Sabrina, come. So Sabrina, she used this color. I wouldn't recommend really using a color for hers. Because before hers was like a mint color, so pretty. And now hers is just like... They said mint. Yeah, mint. They said mint. That's what they said. Mint color. So, I know a technique to make this harder. Let's go like this. But I wanted Sabrina to come to tell me that she went to get some time before I wanted to tell her when she was going to get the time, but she wasn't going to oh, finally she's back. Okay, it took a long time. The pressure was really working. Now, I think I'm gonna need a chair. I just need a sink. Oh, there we go. Now that looks like slime. People. It's kind of whatever. Let's do it. No, I just had 2 fingers.
Give me 30 seconds.
Just that's one step. Because it comes back to the mouth. Sure. I'm sure. What's happening? I know. Don't do that. And it comes from like easy. Look. Now it smells like water. Stringy. And I like what?
That's Matthew.
What?
That's Matthew for a cup of water.
What do you mean agua? What do you mean por favor agua?
In un plastico, Matthew, para basura. Sí, plástico.
Okay, so now we have like a soffit and a hurricane. We'll get some of that. The what's that? Yeah, that one.
¿A dónde va? ¿A dónde va?
That is
¿A dónde va? ¿Hacer ejercicio?
I would recommend hot water.
I wouldn't bow up.
I want to be good. I recommend hot water if you're fixing your slime. Where I need Ew, Daddy, this is liquid. No, to be liquid.
Yeah, it is weird pink. No good?
Why? Yeah, that's how you do it.
Okay, go.
It's like you fill it in. It's like, here, you can use it like,
That's the kind of paint
you can do it like this to copy
If it
colors.
goes on those
if you
new
want.
pajamas, I'm gonna be so
I
upset.
know, I don't want the green.
Oh,
That was
okay, so take out the
yesterday.
green.
They're very expensive pajamas.
That blue. If we blue, what blue? Me want blue. Want blue? No. Yellow. No, I want red. I want. Oopsies. What? Red. So much. Not gonna help. Okay, maybe.
Come on, let's go down.
No, this is not gonna
That's
dry.
so cool. That's how you do it.
Dry.
This is the paint that you use for.
Is it gonna dry?
Yes, that's the paint. Guys, please don't make a mess. I'm going down.
Something that I never knew would come through. Hers is still more. Oh, mine is more. What? Mine is more stickier than hers. Because I am the escalator. I don't know if I'm gonna want to add the activator to this. It's kind of. If it really needs activator. It's kind of getting sticky. One finger phone. This is what I got. I had a finger phone and then I did my finger. I go like that and then go like that and then I put it in my sink. Now it's kind of got a little it's gonna be very sticky. I need like a 2 of water. It's gonna be very sticky because I added a lot of water, so I'm gonna need another finger. Like, remember when we were so happy that we made slime, but it was so hard. You're so mine is harder than yours. Yeah. I know. I just like my texture. I just love my texture. It's so like. Now done. So